Hey there YouTube, we got this Chevy Malibu and today we're going to be replacing the right rear turn signal on this because it is currently out. We know that because of how fast the blink indicator is. So let's go ahead and hop into the driver's side of the vehicle and let's go ahead and hop into the driver's seat and turn the vehicle on, and let's see if that indicator is still blinking fast. Now with us in this vehicle, we're going to go ahead and flip the turn signal to the right. You can see that it's blinking very fast. We flip it to the left, it's blinking very slow. Let's go and go to the back real quick and see. Sure enough, you can see that there's no turn signal on this. So what we're going to need to do is replace that turn signal. This is a working turn signal right here. Let me go turn it on. And then this is a working turn signal is what we're trying to get to. So let's pull this into the garage and start working. Now that we're in the garage, first thing I want to do is to pop the trunk. So once the trunk is popped, like I said, we're going to be dealing with this taillight right here. So it's on the inside here that we're going to be doing most of our work. So let me see if I can get the camera in there and so we can see there. Now that we're in the vehicle, first thing I want to do is remove this cargo clip. You just kind of want to spin it and pull it. And then there's two clips right here. Use your pry tool, pull them out. That one looked like it actually broke. I got extras, so not a big deal. If you ever need an extra one, just go to the hardware store or the auto parts store. Once that's taken care of, you now have access to the taillight. So what we're going to do is these two clips right here, just spin them out. It's nice as you can do this pretty much all by hand, no tools required. And the one right up here. And then you should be able to pull your taillight now out. There might be one more over here. Oh, there is. There's three. There's one more way in the back corner over here. And then we'll go to the outside of the vehicle. Now what you should be able to do is just take your taillight and pull it straight out. And then this will give you access to the bulb right there. Now with that bulb, you just want to go ahead and take it, spin to the left, and pull out. And then you can grab that bulb and pull towards you and take it out. If you could, please take a second to scroll down and put a like on my video, and also throw a subscribe on my channel. Now, the bulb that we are needing to get is the 31157. So this one came in a 2-pack, so we'll just throw one in the glove box after. Only need one, but try not to touch the bulb directly, because the oil in your hand can sometimes make the bulb have a premature life. Alright, now with the bulb out, you want to just take it. It doesn't matter which orientation you have it. Push it back into there. Make sure it seats all the way down. And then take your headlight or your taillight housing. Put it back in there. And spin to the right. And put the taillight back in. Make sure it seats all the way. And let's go back to the vehicle. Now let's make sure that it works. There we go. We have a turn signal now. Let's make sure the brake light works. That looks good as well. All right, so now that the taillight's back in, let's go ahead and put back in all the nuts. Got 3. the carpet back up top, making sure that the carpet goes underneath any molding trim or anything like that that needs to go under. And then I'm going to take my Christmas tree clip there, push it in. I have to get a replacement for that one still. And then my cargo clip here. And that's back in. So there we go. Now we have a working turn signal and brake light. So if this video has helped you at all, please make sure to like and subscribe. Check out my other videos on my channel. And until next time.